What's up, guys? South Texas firefighter here. Just got done with my buddy's truck, 2019 F250 diesel. We did a full 360. He's running red, white, and blue to the front, red, white, and blue to the sides, and then red, amber, and blue in the rear. And he's got takedown and alleys. We still gotta finish wiring up the siren, but we'll do that on Monday. We'll have him turn on the lights real quick. So in the front, he's running a Lanfus light stick in the grill and Phoenix tricolored on the window. Here for the sides, he's running Federal Signals. And then in the rear, he's got a Phoenix tricolored red, blue, and amber. Alright, so I'll show you guys the takedown and then the side alleys. We've got side alleys, takedowns. The directional. Here in the back, he's got the directional. Split. On the other side. We might have to put some T3s here on the bottom so it can still be visible with red and blues, but we'll do that at another day. So that's pretty much it. 2019 F250 diesel. As my buddy RJ would say, it looks ridiculous. If you guys have any questions, any comments, feel free to ask, and as always, be safe. Everything is being controlled up there. All the switches. What do you think?
Come on.
Ridiculous?
Ridiculous, bro.
All right, man. Thank you. Have a good night.
Later, big dog.
Yeah.